Episode 5.
1, 2, 3, under.
Today's episode is about going underwater, but it's important to mention that this is not that important of a skill for infants this young. A lot of parents are understandably anxious about putting their children underwater, and if you are, there's no need to rush it. There's so much more that you can work on before your child goes underwater for the first time.
For the skill of going underwater, working in baby steps is amazing. The more you practice pouring water over your child, using that consistent cue of 1, 2, 3 under, the more familiar it becomes for when you eventually come to the time where you are ready to bring the baby underwater. Remembering that consistency, repetition, patience with this skill, and working in baby steps will make it much smoother of a transition for the parent and the child.
You might have setbacks where your child sniffs water in their nose or coughs, but it's important to keep that consistency and repetition to help make everything predictable. Keeping your movements slow and smooth helps too. If you gradually increase the amount of time your child spends underwater and how deep they go, moving very, very patiently with small baby steps, eventually your child will be comfortable for longer periods underwater as they learn to take a breath and hold it for as long as they need to.
Even in a moment where the baby sniffs some water or gets uncomfortable coming out from underwater, it's important for the parent to respond positively. Big smile, keeping the baby low to the water, and letting them know that they are indeed safe.
Eventually, your child will learn to go underwater by themselves, and they'll start to really enjoy the experience.
Remember, consistency, patience, and repetition are the cornerstones of this skill. And the more joyful and open you are as a parent as you receive them from coming back up above water, the more they'll fall in love with that weightless feeling of flying.
Hey Elowyn, what's your next video about?
Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty Dumpty.
Yeah!
Yay!